Next, take a blue color sheet, tear it like this and paste it over the brown sheet. Now take the white color on a crumpled paper and then imprint it like this. Now take the empty walnut shell, color it using orange and green color like this. Draw the lines over it and different patterns like this. Here we are making the turtles. Now paste it and draw the legs and the mouth of the turtle like this. Make its eyes, nose, and it's ready. Next, we will take the sheet and paste it like this. Now draw the lines over it. Now take the another brown color sheet and make a basket like this and put the green color clay over it as shown in the video. Make the lines using white color marker. Now put the flowers using clay like this on it, decorate it, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a black color sheet and then draw the lines on it. Now take different color clays and make different patterns and designs using it by flattening it and paste it on the sheet like this. Now take a brown color clay, make the branches of the tree. Now using white color marker, we will draw the dots, lines over it like this. Put the red color heart in the between, make some clouds, and it's ready. Next, take a green color and then color the sheet. Now take the green color clay, draw the lines over it like this as shown in the video using the stick and paste it on the sheets like this one by one. Make few more as such. Make a basket using the paper and put the red color clay balls over it like this and put it like this on the sides also. Here we are making the apples. Draw its stems like this. Put the white color lines on it like this and your cherries are ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a black color sheet and draw the branches using white color paper. Now, we will take the paper, crumple it and put the green color over it and then make the imprints on the black sheet like this. Put the light color green over it like this. Now, make some birds using white color marker as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, take a paper and tear it like this as shown in the video and paste it over the green sheet as we are doing. Now we will make its eyes using white color clay. Draw the dots over it using black color marker like this. Now take a yellow color clay, make the eyes, nose, mouth and different body parts of it like this and it's ready. Next, take the fruit form net, roll it like this and take the white color on it and then imprint it on the sheet like this. Make the balls or the dots like this. After that, we will make the stems and leaves of it using green color and the brush like this. Make the imprints of the leaves on it, paste it and then you can decorate it by putting yellow color in the between using the earbuds and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the blue color on the fingertips and draw the lines on the white sheet like this. Drag it little bit as shown in the video. Now take the marker and draw the eyes, nose of the fishes like this. Make the fins and tails of the fishes as shown in the video. Use the black marker for this purpose. Now you can decorate it further. You can use different colors instead of blue here we have used. Now draw the color like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.